Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you how to create this look inspired by Kylie Jenner. She posted a picture on her Instagram where she had this hot pink inner corner and it really inspired me to create a look. So this is what you'll be getting today. If everything looks a little bit different, like the framing and the lighting and just the camera quality, I'm really sorry. My DSLR broke this morning. I don't know what's wrong with it. I don't have time to go to the shop to get it fixed. So I've got a broken camera here. So I'm using my vlog camera to film this video. So hopefully you can see everything okay. I know it's not ideal and I'm really sorry. Life just throws hurdles at you sometimes, you know, and this week has been one of those weeks. I'm actually so excited because I am once again working with MUA for this video. I actually used MUA makeup for my birthday tutorial and it went down so well that I thought, why not do another one? And when they wanted to work with me again, I was like, yes! We love an affordable look. So this is using MUA eyeshadows. Look at how pigmented that pink is. Are you serious? So these are MUA's eyeshadow palettes. They have so many different colours. So this is the Tropical Oceana palette, which I did use today. Look how stunning they are. Look at the pigment. Hang on. Let me just show you a couple of these shades. Like, hello. Hi. These are currently half price, so down from £8 to £4. £4 for how many shades? 25 shades. 25 shades for £4. How insane. I'm also using this palette, which is the Burning Embers palette. This is actually my old one. They've sent me a new one for the video, but I've had this palette for years now. Such an incredible palette, really stunning shades, some neutrals, a couple of pops of colour. Gorgeous. There's a couple of swatches for you there. Gorgeous colours. This is one of my favourites, the Natural Obsessions palette. Some lovely warm shades, some gorgeous kind of golds, wearable warm shades in that one. And then they've got an all matte palette. This is the Matte Supreme, which I've never actually tried. Look at that, the Matte Supreme. Ooh, these feel soft. There's the black, and then the pink is quite a soft colour. You may not be able to see that one. Finally, the Cashmere Collection palette, which is, for those of you who like a smoky eye, mostly cool toned shimmers. Oh, I've chosen quite similar colours there. Gorgeous smoky shades. So if you'd like to see how to create this look using MUA makeup, then keep on watching. Okay, so I don't know how this is going to go, how this is going to look, because obviously it's a different camera and it's just not ideal. So the palettes that I've chosen to dig into are going to be the primarily the Burning Embers palette, which if you've watched me for a long time, you'll know that I have owned the Burning Embers palette for a long time. I will link down below the first ever video I used this palette in. It was a long time ago, but I'll link it down below. So I've got a new one, but I might dip in to the Tropical Oceana palette because that's just really cool, but we'll see, shall we? I'm going to start by priming my lid. This is the MUA Enhancing Eyeshadow Primer. I like this one actually quite a lot. It's got a little bit of tint to it. It just makes all of the eyeshadows that you put on top of it look much brighter. I'm going to get the picture up so I can see exactly what my girl Kylie is wearing on her lid. She's got a warm crease colour on, so I'm actually going to start with the Tropical Oceana palette for the neutral shades, and I'm going to go in first with the lightest transition shade, and I'm going to go in with an MUA E11, which is like an angled crease brush, and I'm just going to use this to warm up the crease. The zooming process is quite easy on this camera, which is quite fun. So yeah, I like this because obviously we're going for that pop of pink in the inner corner of the eye. I like that it's like a peachy pinky tone. I mean, let me know if you actually like this camera. Do you like it being a little bit more casual? Let me know. I'm then going to go in with the warm brown from the Burning Embers palette. One more time, you want to blend that through the crease. And this you want to just blow out, like you want it to be really soft. We're not going for something crazy defined. This look is meant to be wearable. I want like a soft bronzy colour, so I'm going to mix this shade here with a little bit of this colour here. The shimmers are super like buttery. And I'm just going to pack this over the lid. Her eyeshadow look is so simple. I'm just using an E2 from MUA. It's super simple, but in my opinion, it's really effective. I think it looks stunning. Don't bring it all the way into the inner corner. It feels so old school using a camera like this for a makeup tutorial. It's just so simple. I literally just zoomed it in and pressed record. I normally have to like focus it, and it's normally quite the ordeal. And I'm just going to take a touch of a slightly deeper colour. Oh my god, you can't... Have I just been... I forget that you can't see. I'm so sorry. I can't see what I'm doing. This colour and this colour. Just for a little bit of depth. And just to kind of blend that shimmer out. Once again, it's nothing crazy. It's a very simple look. But I really love Kylie's style of makeup because they are really achievable, wearable looks. They've blended like a dream. I used to love this palette and I still do. Still good stuff. And then I'm just going to tap a touch more of the lightest shade just through the centre of the lid. Look at that pigment. Isn't that crazy? From the image I'm looking at, I can't really see what's on her lid. I know she did a YouTube tutorial, but I'm not going to watch it. I'm going to do my own kind of version of the look. I'm going to go in with the MUA Shadow Liner in deep brown. I'm going to run this along the top lash line. So Kylie has got lash extensions on. I do not. And it changes the look so much. It makes it much more kind of dramatic looking. So I am going to put on some falsies, but some falsies that I think look a little bit like lash extensions. You can use individuals if you want, but I hate putting on individual lashes, so I'm not going to. And then I'm going to take an MUA, and look at this teeny angled brush. This is an E7 from MUA, and I'm going to take this and I'm going to wing it out. She's got beautiful, beautiful almond shaped eyes. This just helps to enhance that. I do not have almond shaped eyes. Equally as lovely. Everyone's eye shape is lovely. I just don't look like Kylie Jenner, and that's okay. And then I'm going to mix the two darker shades again on that little tiny brush, and I'm pushing that on top. I want it to be nice and matte because it is on Kylie. Just a nice soft little wing. Nothing too insane. I'm going to go in with a bit of a gel liner. This is the MUA Matte Black Eyeliner. I want to add lots and lots of depth just to the root of the eyelash, so that when I put falsies on, they look more like lash extensions because they look like they're one with the eyes rather than just kind of stuck on top. Do you see the difference that makes? She has got this amazing pop of pink in her inner corner, which is what made me want to do this look in the first place. So I'm going to start with this pink here, and then I'm going to go on top with this amazing bright pink. I'm just going to see how far we can get with the lighter pink first. Let's try the brighter pink. Change of plan. I think I want it to be matte. I'm putting a little bit more of that eye primer just to help it to really stick. I'm going to go back into the Tropical Oceana palette because it's got the perfect matte pink. And I'm going to push this on the inner corner. Wow. And then I'm going to really blend it, buff that in. That's literally just one little swipe. Oh my goodness. And then buff that in. I'm then going to go in with this softer pink just on top to bring it to more of like a pastel hue. I'm now going to highlight my brow bone, so I'm going to take this shade here, just a nice light bright highlight shade, and I'm just going to pop that under the brow. And then I'm going to apply my mascara. This is the MUA Amplify Statement Lash Mascara, which I talked about in my last video with them, and I said I love it, and I do. I really, really like this mascara. It's fab. So I'm going to apply 2 coats of this mascara, and then I'm going to put on these unicorn lashes in Majestic AF, which are really kind of piecey looking lashes. So they will let the liner show through, and then I'll be right back. Guys, I've just put on these lashes, which are perfect for this look. I've also put my concealer on my lower lash line and set it. I am now going to finish off the eyes. The sun has literally gone down. I've been trying to film this video for a few hours now because of my camera, but it's fine. Lower lash line, she's got like nothing. Really minimal lower lash line. So I'm going to go in again with that lovely warm brown, because I want a little something just to add some definition under there. But again, you don't want anything too crazy. She hasn't got much mascara on either. I'm going to use the matte bronzing powder in 130 from MUA, and you want to go with a big fluffy brush, and you just want to make yourself that bronzed goddess that you know you are. And then for the apple of the cheek, I'm going to go in with Rose Tea, because we know that Miss Kylie J loves blush. I know this looks crazy. Buffing it in with the bronzer. For highlight, look how stunning this palette is. It's the Gradient Light palette in Shimmering Gemstones. And I'm not sure if you can see, but these colours are actually ombre. So I'm going to take this middle shade with an MUA F8 brush. Kylie is very matte a lot of the time, but she always has like a very precise glow. So she goes very matte for her skin, and then where she wants a highlight, she just does it like a pop of highlight, rather than me who just highlights her entire face. I'm going to spritz my face with the Pro Base Fixing Spray from MUA. I really like this. It smells like cucumber. For the lips, you just want to go in with a Your Lips But Better nude. Okay everyone, so here is the finished look. I'm really sorry that the sun went down. Thank you so much for watching. I've linked everything down below. Super affordable products. Thank you MUA for working with me. I hope you guys enjoyed this look. Let me know what you think down below. Have the best day, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!